guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique and today I'm partnering with Dermablend to bring you this video, and what we're going to be talking about are these two products right here. This is the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigment Foundation, and this is the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. You guys know I'm always going to be honest with you, so I'm going to just tell you that I had never used anything from Dermablend before they reached out to me about this video. I have been approached by several brands, and I always try to research the brand if I don't know them or haven't used any of their products. And with Dermablend, I ultimately agreed to do this because I looked into the brand and I loved what they stood for. The brand is actually owned by a husband and wife, and the husband is actually a dermatologist and the wife is a makeup artist. And they came together in 1981 to create this brand so that they can make products to include all people with all skin conditions. And then I also really loved that one of their messages was that you are beautiful with or without makeup, but if you want to wear makeup, they wanted to create some products that would help you if you have skin conditions. And that just said something to me, because I feel like that means that they actually care about changing people's lives. They aren't just trying to sell them a product to be selling it and making money. Like, they actually want to help people. And I have actually spoken with the brand manager, and she told me stories about people who really needed these products that had, you know, really bad acne and nothing would help them, and like people in other countries where this isn't distributed to, they've made sure that these people get this stuff. And those stories touched my heart so much that I was like, okay, let me try the products, see what I think about them, and if I like them, then I'll do the video and post it. So let me give you just a little bit of info about the actual products. First, we have the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder, and it is supposed to be universally flattering, never ashy. It's gonna have like a warm, luminous finish. It helps your makeup stay on for 16 hours. 16 hours. It is fragrance free, sensitive skin tested, and allergy tested. This speaks to me because for my skin personally, I have never really had to worry about acne a whole lot. However, in the recent years, I have developed a really severe gluten allergy, which this is gluten-free as well. So my face is really broke out right now, and this doesn't usually happen to me. I don't know if I accidentally ate gluten or if it's because my face is rebelling against me for all of the Halloween tutorials that I've done, but regardless, it just definitely has broken out like really bad. I mean, this is bad like for my standards, because I'm not used to my face breaking out really. So right now I'm trying to be very cautious about the products that I put on my face, but this is like sensitive skin tested, so that was another selling point for me. Now with the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments, these are actually a 2018 Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. It is zero weight, full coverage. It is oil free, which is really good for people like me. I don't like to use like oil based products on my face a lot. It's never cakey, and it also has the 16-hour wear if you use it with the Illuminating Banana Powder. Now, if you guys like the results of this after you watch this video, I will be putting a link in the description box where you can purchase these for yourself. So what I want to do for you guys today is I want to just put the foundation and the setting powder on one half of my face, because I want you to be able to see the difference. And I want to choose like the worst side of my face so that you can see like how much it covers. So I am in the shade 10N. You guys know I always apply my foundation with a beauty sponge, so I'm gonna keep the same routine. This comes with a really nice little dropper. I'm gonna try to cover this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how that covers that blemish. I can't even believe this. And look how smooth it goes on my skin. I'm going to try to go over this right here. Now you can see that went on really smooth. I'm only going to take this makeup wipe because I want to have like a nice center line so that you guys can really see what it looks like on one half of my face as opposed to the other. So as you can see, my face is really red and it has a lot of like red pigmentation in it. And I also have some sunspots up here, and this goes all the way across, so you can see that it like covered these blemishes. I'm like so blown away by that. It doesn't look cakey, it just looks so flawless. I'm really impressed with this. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. Now it says to put this on your face to illuminate and brighten and lock this in for up to 16 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush to pounce that on there. I can already see that it doesn't look ashy like it claims, so that's a definite plus. Now I am caking it on there pretty good because it says to let it set for 2 minutes and then wipe it off. So now that it's been 2 minutes, I'm just going to take that fluffy brush and I'm going to dust it off. So as you can see, it definitely is full coverage, and it isn't cakey, and it's not ashy. And look at the difference in my face. Like, look at this, like all of this red and all of this breakout. And we know that this side was my worst face. I mean, my worst side of the face for the breakout. So it's like amazing that it just like covered it like it did. So if you are someone that suffers from really bad acne or red pigmentation or whatever the case may be, I genuinely honestly believe that this will work so well for you, because you can see the difference in the sides of my face right now as I speak. I feel like this speaks for itself, and I really don't even have to say that much. If you would like to purchase this for yourself, don't forget that I do have a link in the description box for you to be able to click on it. And then I do want you guys to know that they do sell these products at Ulta as well. So if you go into Ulta and you want to try them for yourself, just like to test them out and see what you think about them personally, please do that. I see so many people on social media all the time talking about, you know, how their acne is so crippling and they can't find a foundation that covers it really well. I genuinely believe that this will work so well for them without creating more breakouts, because this is created by a dermatologist. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you so much to Dermablend for sponsoring this video. I'm so grateful to get to work for a company that I truly believe in what they stand for. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial.